everyone, this is Edith from Kelas Bahasa. Today we will learn how to name different types of birds in Indonesian. So if you're a big fan of birds, this will be a great video for you to learn from. So let's start. Cassowary. Ka-su-a-ri. Cassowary. Elang. 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 Ayam jantan. Ayam jantan. Ayam jantan literally means a male chicken, a rooster. But you can use the word ayam to generally refer to a chicken. For a hen, it's called ayam betina, which literally means a female chicken. And for a chick, it's called anak ayam. Ayam kate. Ayam kate. These are the miniature types of chicken that are smaller than the average size of chickens. Ayam hutan. Ayam hutan. Kalkun. Kalkun. Burung gagak. Burung gagak. Nuri. 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 Kakatua. Kakatua. Pipit. Pipit. There are a few other common types of sparrows that you would most likely come across in Indonesia. Burung gelatik and burung gereja. Gereja literally means church. Pelatuk. 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 Kutilang. 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 There are a few other types of bulbuls too, such as these. Enggang. Enggang. Or rangkong. 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 Toucan. 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 Burung cinta. Burung cinta. Burung parakeet. Burung parakeet. Canary. 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 Beo. Beo. beo, cendrawasih, 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 cekakak, 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 burung hantu, burung hantu. So for this bird, you would need to mention both words burung and hantu, because hantu literally means a ghost. Burung merpati, 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 or burung dara, burung dara. We can use either of these to refer to dove or pigeon, as these two generally refer to the same thing, even if a pigeon is supposed to be bigger than a dove. There's no Indonesian translation for a penguin, so it's still a penguin. Likewise for a puffin and a flamingo. For a crane, it's called bangau, bangau, bangau. Pelican, pelican, pelican. Burung walet, burung walet. Burung camar, burung camar. Burung kedidi, burung kedidi. Burung merak, burung merak. Burung puyuh, burung puyuh. The quail eggs are called telur puyuh. Telur means egg. Burung kolibri, burung kolibri. A lot of people have misconception that hummingbird refers to burung madu, which literally means honey bird. However, these two birds are different, and burung madu actually refers to sunbird. Good work! So let's see how much you can remember on what we've learned so far. Which of these is elang? Do you remember how to call this bird in Indonesian? Burung camar. How about this bird? Bangau. What about this bird? Burung merak. This one is my favorite. Do you remember how to call it in Indonesian? Burung kolibri. Well done! If you find this video useful for your learning, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on our videos. Thank you and see you at the next video.